Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hair video. We're going to be turning this mess into something gorgeous, okay? So if that interests you, go ahead, click that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because honey, we are not going to end looking like this. Stokes styling. So this is a wig I got off of Amazon, and I am going to just be transforming her into something that does not look like I just pulled it out of the pack. I will leave all of the deets up here for what this wig is on the screen, and if you would like to purchase your own, it'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. I am definitely going to cut her a good little bit and add some layers because right now she's just long and drab and not fab, okay? I am not going to be bleaching the lace today because I just truly don't feel like it. So this is going to show you how you can get a nice natural finish, natural look on your wig, even if you don't like want to go through all the steps of bleaching and carrying on. As far as the hairline goes, it is pretty thick. She could definitely use a little bit of plucking, but I don't plan on really pulling her back today, so I'm not going to focus necessarily on plucking. Again, this is going to be a very beginner friendly wig customizing video. The first thing I'm going to do is cut a little bit more shape into her because then the vision will come together. So to cut this wig, I'm going to be using a razor comb. Again, this will also be linked in my storefront. I love cutting with these combs for wigs and weaves because it just gets a lot of the bulk out. It's super easy. You're able to see the shape. You're able to kind of guide the razor. It's super easy. So we're going to keep it with this part. First things first, let's get this bang together, you guys. So, I'm thinking maybe about right here. Give her like a, what is it, Jessica Rabbit type of feel. So I'm going to take a little C section right here in the front. Y'all see that? And I'm going to comb it all forward and I'm going to pull it across my face. Now that I have it all pulled across my face, these combs have two sides. This side cuts a thinner amount and this side cuts a thicker amount. I'm going to take the side that cuts a very thick amount and I'm going to slide it all the way down the front. Boom. That's how much hair we're getting rid of. How's that feeling? Let's do a little bit more. Let's take that section again. And I'm going to take that thick side once again. And I'm just chopping down that bang area. Okay. Now. Yeah. That already is looking better. So now that I have that section, I'm going to take the thinner side and right here where I kind of ended that chop, I'm going to just take that and slide it all the way down the rest of the wig. Now down here on the bottom, it's like really long but it's thin. I don't know, I might end up getting rid of that. I don't know. We'll see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split this in half like this. That way I can kind of see better. So this is one half, this is the other half. And you can kind of see where I stopped kind of cutting right up in here. So I'm going to take that thin side and keep just going down the wig. And this is going to be giving me layers throughout the wig. There we go. All right. Now, right here in the around where my shoulder is, since I have it split in two, I'm just going to grab it and kind of put it into like a little bit of a loose ponytail. I'm going to take that thinner side and I'm just going to run along the top of this hair. I don't know, I think I might take the thicker side. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to do that again, but this time I'm going to take the thicker side. So the thicker side, and yeah, there we go. Can you already see how this side is looking fuller than this side? You can see that? Alright, I think I want to go a little bit more in here. And a lot of this cutting is really just kind of moving with the hair and seeing where the weight is. So like there's still a lot of weight in this area of this wig. So when I push it back, you can see how it kind of lays flat right here. I don't want that. I want it to move. I want it to have volume. So right up in here, right around the front of my face, I'm taking the thicker side and I'm just cutting, like cutting away from my face. There it is. I'm cutting away from my face. That's what's going to get those layers all up and through here. Yes, already that's looking so much better. I'm going to do that one more time. Just kind of cutting away from my face. Yeah, let's just cut that. Let's just cut. There we go. That already looks so much better. Now we're going to basically do the same thing on this side. So this is where my bang ends. So I kind of want to make sure that they match. And I'm just going to take that thicker side and just come all the way down the length of the wig. Yeah, just get rid of all of that. I'm going to go right in here, and again I'm holding it together, taking that thick side and kind of pulling like back away from my face. And you want to pull away from your face because like when you curl your hair, it's always flattering when the curls flow away from your face, kind of like Farrah Fawcett. And now in that same area up in here where it was nice and thick, where we got that layering on the other side, we're going to do that same thing. So again, I'm holding it all in just like one big ponytail, and I'm going to start round about my shoulder on the top of the hair and just comb and get all that bulk up out of there. There we go. See, already now it has some more of a shape. It has more like body or something to it. Can y'all see the difference? And as you can see, as I'm chopping, I'm just kind of chopping down the strand. That's going to help me get those nice layers. Ooh. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and spray the lace so that it can dry. So since I am not tinting, since I'm not bleaching the knots and bleaching the lace or anything like that, my little cheat is to use my Stokes Styling Lace Tint Spray. And this is in the color dark brown. And I am just going to spray this lace. Now, ideally, you want to spray it and you can kind of blow dry it, or you can just let it rest overnight. I'm gonna go like take a shower, get myself together, get dressed, and then I'll come back. I'm gonna let this dry. As you can see, it's changed the color of the lace a little bit. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I will be back, like to put her on, to cut the lace around it, to put her on, to do my finishing touches, to curl her, you know, all of that good stuff. Okay, I'll be back.
So I curled this hair using the Babyliss 1-inch curling iron. Y'all already know this is my go-to curling iron. I love it. It gives me the perfect curl or wave, just kind of depending on, you know, what I'm doing. Now this hair was supposed to have a natural body wave to it. As you can see what it looks like when I pulled it out the pack, there was no wave. It was just kind of like stringy and sitting there. So I went through and curled the entire head. Now, I will say that while I was curling it, I was getting excited because the curls looked like they were popping. I was very disappointed in how the curls lasted. I will be talking about that a little bit later on in the video. But because of that, I did not link this wig into my Amazon storefront because I want y'all to have quality. I'm sorry about Makai, he's in the back, so y'all hear him, just say hey in the comments. But anyway, I want y'all to have quality. I don't want to put my name on something that's not going to like look good. And even though this was a cheap wig, so I think it was $99, so I didn't expect it to, you know, be the highest of quality. I did expect it to hold a curl for it more than an hour, and you'll see how it looks in the end after I'm done curling it. I was so excited at this point though because I love the color, and I think that, you know, a nice little red body wave wig is something great to have up in your arsenal. But yeah, you'll see how it ended up. So this is what it looks like right after I got done cutting off the lace, throwing her on. Like, cute, right? Like, the curls were giving a little something, something. I was like feeling myself, okay? Had to, you know, thought I was that girl. And this is what it looked like by the time I got done putting on my makeup and getting fully dressed. Like, you can see that the curls have dropped significantly from that last clip.
All right, so this is the finished look. I could probably pluck the part a little bit more, but I don't have time. I actually have somewhere that I have to be. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit of powder in my part just to kind of like open it up a little bit. Let me do that really quick. But yeah, this is it. I did put the wig on and I ran to go pick up my son from daycare and came home, and as you can see, all of my curls have fallen out. So that's no bueno. At least I still have a little bit of like feathering in the front, and that came from me cutting those layers in. So even though the hair has fallen into just like this kind of like little limp wave, especially in the front where I really cut those layers, it still looks nice. It still looks like intentional, you know. It doesn't just look flat and unshapely. So I'm not like mad, but also like it sucks because I was out the house for like 10 minutes and came right back and I have no curls. So I'm gonna try to curl it again, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and curl it again, and I'm gonna put some holding spray on it, and hopefully the curls last a little bit longer because like I said, I have somewhere that I have to be. But that's it. I hope you all enjoyed today's quick little video. Again, if you liked this hair, I've already gotten compliments. I've already gotten multiple compliments on the color of this hair. So if you like this hair, if you like this wig and you want to test it out for yourself, I will again leave it linked down in my Amazon storefront. Again, this is not one of the B Stokes styling signature units. Let's be clear. Okay, so you're not going to get the quality that you would get from one of my custom units, but a good little throw on and go, something, you know, something to have for a special event. I'm not mad at her. All right, but that's it. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Go ahead and visit my website, www.bssu.com, if you want to learn more about all that's happening over here at B Stokes Styling, from our custom wigs to our custom merch. You do not want to miss it, or grab your free gift. Also, please don't forget to join my Go Without Glue course, where I teach women suffering from alopecia how to choose, install, and maintain their wigs without glue and with ease. To everyone else, don't forget to follow me on all socials, links in the D box. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.